students, now we are going to discuss map skill. This is very important for the purpose of your examination and for the purpose of you being a Bharatiya, that means Indian. So, in this map skill, we are going to discuss physical features of Bharat. As you know, physical features of India. India is the country of diverse. So, here is so many diversity in terms of physical features. In the northern part, we have mountain region. In the northeast, mountain and the plateau parts, and here is the coastal region from Gujarat to here Odisha and some parts of Bengal. That means here western coast and eastern coast, and this is the mountain range, Vind, Satpura and Mahadev and Maikal hills, and between this is the central highland Deccan plateau we have. And this is below the mountain, we have northern plain, Indo-Gangetic plains. Okay? So now we are going to detail. So this is the pyramid knots, and from here this is Hindu Kush, and this is the Kunlun in China. Now this is the part of India, and this is also the region of this pyramid knots and this mountain series. Note, this is a part of Himalaya. Okay, so this is Karakoram, where is K2 is situated in Karakoram series, and this is the Karakoram Pass. From here we can go India to China. Okay, and this is the Ladakh region, and this is Jaskar region. If you find out and draw this in the map for the sake of remember, you can read like that: KLZ, KLZ, Karakoram, Ladakh and Jaskar range. This is the Kailas range in Tibet region. Kailas Mansarovar where is originated. So this is the Greater Himalaya. First part of this is Greater Himalaya. And there are so many peaks here. In Nepal, here is the highest peak, Mount Everest. Okay. And from here, this is Nathula Pass. From Sikkim, this is 50 kilometers ahead of Gangtok. And from here, we can go to Tibet. Okay. So this is the Middle Himalaya range. This is Middle Himalaya range. This part is Middle Himalaya range. And this is the lesser, that means Shivalik Himalaya range. Okay. And from below the Shivalik Himalaya, we have what? Northern plain. This is called Indo-Gangetic plain. In map, when you show mountain, color will be brown. Okay, just mind it. I don't have brown color marker, so I used black marker. So this is the northern region, and this is also the extraction of Himalaya region. Okay, and here we have Naga Hills, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, and this is the what? Lusai Hills. This is Lusai Hills. This is Naga Hills. Okay. So this is the part of Great Indian Desert, and this is Aravalli mountain range. This is Aravalli. Okay, and this is the Kutch of Rann, Kutch of Rann. And this is the part of Giri forest. And from here, this is Western Ghat. And this is Eastern Ghat. Okay? This is Bind range, mountain range. From below the Bind range, we have Satpura range. And this is Mahadev Hills range. And this is Maikal Hills range. Okay? Now, in Western Ghat, we have Konkan coast, Kannada coast and Malwar coast. Konkan coast from Maharashtra, Mumbai to Goa. From Maharashtra to Goa, we have Konkan coast. And in Karnataka, we have Kannada plains, coastal plains. And in Kerala, we have Malwar coast. Okay? Look at this. This is N Sarkar, that means Northern Sarkar. This is the Eastern Ghat region of India. Eastern Ghat region of India, this is Northern Sarkars. And this is Coromandel coast. Okay? This is Northern Sarkar coast. The boundary of Northern Sarkar coast from is in the region of Krishna Delta. Okay, Krishna River Delta, we have Northern Sarkar, and from Mehandgiri, that means Odisha to here, this is Northern Sarkar, and from here to last region is what? Tamil Nadu region, we have Coromandel coast. Okay, so with this is the first map skill we have to do, and the sign of pass is like that. And passes is what? Between the way of two mountain ranges, we have to go there. For the purpose of communication, we have passes. Okay. Thank you so much.